peppers. If you're a jalapeno pepper lover, this is just for you, right? Hey, this is Lady Lagata, your divine plant diva. Just reflecting on how you can take out time and grow your own peppers on your porch. For you guys who do not have a big piece of land or backyard, you do not have to delay when it comes down to growing certain vegetables and fruits on your porch. And if you are a person that likes hot jalapeno peppers or any peppers, it's a good time for you to do that. This guy I got is a part of a stackable. I'm here in Chicago, and I just want to let you know that you're going to hear the background activities going on in the big city, just so that you are aware of that and know that that's Chicago. But just keep in mind, when you look at taking out some time and not having to go to the store and get yourself some fresh vegetables, meaning growing from your own garden, take out some time and grab you a jalapeno plant, or a small jalapeno plant with no fruit on them. This is where I got this one. This one didn't have any fruit on it, and now you can see it's flourishing on my porch garden in Chicago. I also have grown some from seed. These have, as they grow taller, of course, you know, I will separate them, and they are many jalapeno. So as you can see, and this is the way I started. Look at my Ziploc bag video, and it will show you how I did this with my Ziploc bag. But do some gardening on your porch. You're not restricted to a big piece of land. You're not restricted to a backyard. You can do this right on your porch. Have a wonderful, blessed day, beautiful souls. Goodbye.